Welcome to the learning portal of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. A warm greeting to all my class 12 students for the new academic year. Let's start with the first unit of class 12, chapter name Operating System. It's a theory chapter with a weightage of 22 marks in both, comprising of 3 and 4 marks question. The content which will be covered in today's class is what is operating system, its functions, and various terminology related to operating system. So let's start. If I question you, what is operating system? The answers which will pop from you will be Windows, iOS, Mac, Android, Unix, Linux, etc. But what is the need of operating system in your computer? Or if I reframe my question as define operating system. Let's understand this through our next PPT. By the examples, it's clear that operating system is a software. And we have learned in class 11th that software is a set of instructions or commands given to the computer. So even OS is an instructions given to the computer to carry out specific task. But now my question is, what type of task? As you can see in the diagram, where we deal with computer environment, it consists of 4 layers: user, application, operating system, and hardware. Computer user make use of application program like Word, Paint, Excel to carry out these tasks. Hardware is a physical device which are visible like monitor, printer, CPU, etc. And in between this is heart of computer system, that is your operating system. It connects computer user with the hardware. With this, we come to the definition of operating system, that is, it is a program which acts as an interface between the computer hardware and user of a computer. Or it can be viewed as a set of a software program normally supplied along with hardware for the effective and easy use of machine. Every computer must have at least one operating system to run other programs. An application like Chrome, MS Word, Games, etc. needs some environment in which it runs and perform a task. It is not possible for the user to use any computer or mobile device without having an operating system. So the next question is, why will computer not function without operating system? Why is hardware just a box or scrap without operating system? The answer is given in this image. Let's discuss this on our next slide. Functions of operating system. By definition, it is clear that it makes hardware convenient to use. It also helps user to execute program. So all your application program is processed by operating system. It also helps in execution of program to prevent errors and improper use of computer system. Security is also controlled by operating system. That is, the system login with username, password or AI tool is part of operating system. File duplication error is also controlled by OS. In this, redundancy gets reduced. It also helps to share hardware among different users. It also helps to schedule resources among users, which helps in time sharing system. Before we start with detailed study of operating system, we should know about some terminology related to OS, that is multiprogramming, multitasking, multiprocessing, and multithreading. What is multiprogramming system? Multiprogramming is ability of operating system to execute more than one program on a single processor. So more than one program can reside in memory at a given point of time. The diagram below represents the multiprogramming system where applications like Excel, Firefox and all can be loaded into memory at single point and executed simultaneously. The next concept of operating system is multitasking. Task is further division of a program. According to programming concept, we can define tasks as functions. Multitasking deals with different functions of same program or multiple programs. Multitasking is ability of OS to execute more than one task simultaneously on a single processor machine. Though we say so, but in reality, no two tasks on a single processor machine can be executed at the same time. As you can see in the diagram, CPU switches from one task to the other so quickly that it appears as if all tasks are executing at the same time. Moving on to the concept of multiprocessing. When we use two or more processor, that is CPU, for execution within a single computer system, it is termed as multiprocessing. So we have single operating system, single memory but multiple processor. In this system, the multiple processor interacts with each other for symmetric processing. Next concept of operating system is multithreading. A thread is a flow of execution through the process code with its own program counter that keeps track of which instructions to execute. A thread is also called a lightweight process. You can also say that further division of task is thread. So, multithreading is ability of operating system process to manage its use by more than one user at a time and to even manage multiple requests by the same user without having multiple copies of the program running on the computer. Before we end and sign off for the today's class, let's go through the board questions on today's topic. What is operating system? What is function of operating system? Define multiprogramming, multitasking, multiprocessing, and multithreading. Thank you for the day. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Love and peace from TVM family.